Children, today is your first day of computer online classes. My name is Mamta Gupta. I will teach you computer class 4. Lesson first, computer device and memory storage device. I will read, then explain main point, then give you question answers and exercise. Lesson first, computer device and memory storage device. Electronic machine that can store, organize and find information and do calculation. A computer work on data and information that we feed into it. Input device. Input device are used to enter data or information into the computer. Some input device are keyboard, mouse, joystick, microphone, scanner. Output device are which give us the result of processed data are called output device. Some output device are monitor, speaker, headphone, printer, plotter. Processing device is process the calculation and comparison. What is doing? Processing unit doing the calculation and comparison. The CPU is present inside the CPU box. It is the called brain of computer. The CPU has three parts: ALU, arithmetical logic unit, CU, control unit, MU, memory unit. Then storage device is also the brain perform the function of thinking and storing ideas, facts, information. What is the doing storage unit? Perform the functions or thinkings, the storing ideas and facts. Memory is the part of computer where data is stored. The unit is measured computer memory. 8 bits equal 1 byte, 1024 bytes, 1 kilobytes. Then memory is divided into two parts. Primary memory is also divided into two parts: RAM, random access memory, ROM, read only memory. What is the full form of RAM? Random access memory, ROM, read only memory. Then second is the secondary memory. Secondary memory is floppy disk, hard disk, CD, DVD. Secondary memory is also called external memory. Then application of function. Computer are today being used almost all places, like a bank, hospital, science, medical, school, college, etc. Data versus information. What is data? Facts and figure is called the data. What is information? Information is process, organized, structures, presented in giving the context so as the make it useful. It is called the information. Question answers. Name two input device. Answer. Input device: first, keyboard, mouse. Output device: monitor, printer. Question number 2. What is processing unit? CPU is the processing unit of computer. Question 3. Name two types of memory. Memory is two types: primary memory, secondary memory. Question number 4. What is computer memory? How is measured? Computer memory is also computer memory. Answer number 4. Memory is the part of computer where data is stored. The unit is measurement of computer memory is bytes. Question number 5. Write the brief note on storage device. The answer number 5. Storage devices are used to store data permanently. Multiple choice. First number, microphone is a fill-up device, input device. Second, plotter is fill-up device, output device. Third, is the part of computer where is data stored, memory. Fourth, fill-up MB make gigabyte 1024. Fifth, RAM is fill-up storage device, primary storage device. Then fill in the blanks. Pen drive is a portable device is used to store data. Number 2. Contain ALU, MU and CPU. Third, a calculation is an example of RAM. Fourth, the fill-ups memory is kept in silicon chips, primary. Fifth, hard drive is the most common secondary storage device.